Section 7, number 3, you're solving for S. These are all proportions. And to do the proportion, we can just cross multiply. The first one, it is going to be your 3 times 21. That's going to be equal to your x times 7. 3 times 21, it is 63. 7 times x is 7x. Divide by 7 from both sides. This cancels. X is equal to 63 divided by 7. This gets you a 9. Next, B. This negative can go anywhere you want. I'm going to transfer it to just the top value here. Right? Now we can just cross multiply like before. Negative 5 times x. So negative 5 times x is equal to 10 times 9. 10 times 9. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. 10 times 9, which is 90. Divide both sides by negative 5. This cancels out, leaving you an x is equal to 90 divided by negative 5, which gets you negative 18. C. Cross multiply again. We have x minus 3 times 6. So let's write that. 6 times parentheses x minus 3, because there's 2 of them, equals to 5 times x minus 7. Just letting you know, this can just be written like 6 times that next to it. Same thing here. Okay, this might help you see it much better. Okay, all right, so now we can just distribute. Okay, 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 3, which is negative 18. 5 times x, which is 5x. And 5 times negative 7, which is negative 35. All right, subtract 5x to both sides because we're trying to get the variable on one side. This crosses out, leaving you with just an x. Minus 18 is equal to negative 35. Plus 18 plus 18 to both sides. This cancels out, leaving you with just an x is equal to negative 35 plus 18. It is negative 17 for the x value. Let's do D. We have x times 7 times x plus 3 is the first wing of the butterfly. And the second wing of the butterfly, it is 2 times x plus 8. All right, distribute x 7x. 7 times x is 7x. The next one is 7 times 3, which is 21. 2 times x, which is 2x. Then 2 times 8, which is 16. Subtract 2x from both sides. This cancels out, leaving you with a 5x plus 21 is equal to 16. Minus 21 from both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with a 5x is equal to 16 minus 21, which is negative 5. Divide by 5 from both sides. This cancels out, leaving you with x is equal to negative 1. Okay, I think those are the only 4 problems. Okay, so there you go. All of them requires you to cross multiply and then solve for x.